this is a smart pillow. The main objective of this project is to monitor activities of health conditions of a person who is lying, and we are continuously monitoring the health conditions of that person, and a requirement like a fan, light, etc. Temperature also we are checking. For this project, the components used in this project are Arduino Uno. This is the microcontroller we are using here in this project. It controls all the operations in this project. All the components are connected to this Arduino board, and it is the operating voltage is 5 to 20 voltage. For this power supply we are giving a 12 volt adapter, and this is the port for uploading the projects. Here is a reset button is there, and it have a 20 IO pins, input output pins, out of which 14 are digital pins and 6 are analog pins. We have a serial communication pins also available. This is LCD, liquid crystal display, which helps to display whatever data we need to display on this LCD screen. And this is a DS18B20. It is a temperature sensor which helps to detect the temperature of the person, and it is a waterproof sensor also, so we can put if sweat is not an issue for this condition, to check the temperature of that person. And this is DHT11. It helps to check the temperature as well as humidity. It is known as humidity sensor only, and it helps to detect the temperature and humidity condition. And it have 3 pins: VCC, ground, and data. Most of the sensor here are using are 5 voltage only. And this is LDR. LDR helps to detect the light conditions, if it is light required or not, and if light turns on means buzzer which helps to make alert, it will turn on. And this is a heartbeat sensor. This is a heartbeat sensor module. It helps to monitor the heartbeat of a person. The data line is given to the Arduino board, and this is a 5 volt relay which helps to switch the fan, CPU fan. If temperature is high means that if it is above 35 means the fan will turn on using a regular 5 volt relay. Relay acts as a switch only. These are the components we are using. How it works means after giving the supply to 12 volt adapter, if LDR value is it is light on means buzzer will make sound. If and it will continuously give a temperature and humidity value, and if temperature is high means this fan will turn on, and all the data are displayed on this LCD screen. Now let's check the working. Now I given this one. First it is the smart pillow, then the temperature. For heartbeat sensor we need to insert the finger here, then only it will show the heartbeat. Now light off only, it is dark, because of that BPM is 181 means heartbeat, temperature, humidity, light off, normal temperature. So fan also off, fan is off. Okay, now first we will increase the now first we will give the light, so that buzzer will make sound. I given light, that is the buzzer will make sound. After some time the buzzer will stop. Then we can increase the temperature. For increase the temperature you can rub the temperature sensor. Here I given one rod. Now when 29, if temperature is above 35 only, the fan will on. Now let's make the it 35. If temperature is above 35 only, the fan will turn on. Temperature is 65, so the fan will turn on. This is the working. This is the working of smart pillow. Thank you.